Hello gardening friends. Today's short show is on how to harvest turmeric, or turmeric, however you want to say it. All right, let me get away from in front of the camera and we'll see how my little, I actually only planted like 1 or 2 rhizomes of turmeric, so we'll see how it did. All right, I am Dave with Organic Gardening in North Carolina, and if you are interested in growing nutrient-dense food, make sure that you're subscribed and click the bell so you get notified anytime I have a new update and you don't miss anything. All right, well, thank you for watching, and let's see how the turmeric did. That's a fun thing about gardening, is when you dig stuff up, you always, it's always sort of a surprise, especially on root crops like this. All right, so here we go. Here's where I had it planted, and because of the cold weather, actually the tops of it have died back quite a bit. So I should be able to just do one little scoop here and get everything up. Where is my turmeric? Well, it looks like this is it. Do have some rhizomes on there. We did have a super hot and super dry summer, so I'm not surprised that it didn't have a super great harvest. Would have been nice to have a little bit longer of a growing season for it too. I don't think I really got these out here in a very great time this spring either. So I'm glad for any little harvest that I did get actually on these. Probably should start these earlier. Probably put them in a little pot inside my seed starting room so they'll have a longer growing season. But we did get some. I'll wash those off and get ready to use them. I like to put these in smoothies, or you can use them for cooking too if you're going to use make some oriental dishes, because they have like a strong spicy flavor. It's a really nice plant too. In the summertime, it has nice beautiful green leaves. All right, well, that was definitely a short show on how to harvest turmeric. Oh look, here's the little plant that I planted, the piece of the turmeric that I planted, and all the other sprouts came off of that. Looks like I could even still eat that. It's still nice and orange on the inside. All right, well, thanks for watching. I will go ahead and put a video over here of my most popular videos, and over here I'll put a link to a video that YouTube says you will like, because Google knows what you like. All right, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. We'll see you again real soon.